Today I'm going to share a Too Good To Go UK review. I've been living in the UK for about a month and I have enjoyed so many Too Good To Go's. 7 of them have been from Upper Crust. We keep going back because there are such brilliant Too Good To Go bags. This particular one I picked up from Cruise Station, and once I was on the train I couldn't wait to kind of tuck in and see what there was contained in my mystery bag. If you're new to Too Good To Go, restaurants, cafes, bakeries list their leftovers, foods that they usually would have to throw away, but instead they get sold for really cheap price. This was £3.19 and there's 4 items, as you can see there. So I tucked into the bag to see exactly what was there. Yeah, there was a clue on the bag what it is, but I always quite enjoy unraveling the box and seeing what's inside. So these are the 4 packages. I was on this train journey myself with my husband and kids, and so nothing went to waste. We were quite eager to see what was inside and who was going to get what. And here you go. Here's a look inside my first mystery bag from Upper Crust. I got a croissant, which was lovely and fluffy. There is a tuna melt over there with tuna and cheese on top of it. A pretty basic cheese and tomato sandwich and tuna sandwich as well. They were great, all for £3.19, just an absolute bargain when usually these sandwiches and pastries cost £4, £5, £6 I've seen each. So I had the croissant. It was lovely and light and buttery and just so good, and great way to have a nice treat while watching the world go by on my train journey. I also shared the cheese and tomato sandwich with one of my kids, and it was so nostalgic. I used to love cheese and tomato sandwiches when I was younger. This just brought it all back. And next I got a couple of Too Good To Go bags from Chatwins. They're a local bakery in Cheshire and surrounding areas, and they make all kinds of goodies, pastries, sandwiches, sausage rolls, bread. You could eat at the cafe, or you can get takeaway, or find them on Too Good To Go, and I will share the bags that I got from Too Good To Go. I got a couple of them over the last month or so. So the bag is neatly packaged up and quite a generous amount of food, as you can see. So let me open it up and show you what's inside. The first time that I went to Chatwins, there were a couple of bags of these tea cakes, which are rolls that have raisins in them. The first day we just enjoyed them fresh, and then after that we popped them into the air fryer to toast them up nice and crisp. So that we got 2 of these bags of tea cakes. There was also a sausage roll, which again I heated up in the air fryer to make nice and fresh. Just was so beautiful, that lovely thick pastry, and the filling inside was just so lovely and flavorful too. And in that same Too Good To Go, there was also this beautiful roll with cheese on top of it, and it was lovely crusty roll filled with tuna and vegetables and salad leaves, and it was just really good hearty sandwich that my husband had for dinner that evening. So this is an overview of the first of my 2 Chatwins Too Good To Go hauls. All of this for just £4, really a pound item, and just such bargains. We really enjoyed those tea cakes. It was just a brilliant way to try new foods and an absolute bargain. Now Chatwins don't seem to be on the app every day, and another time I was lucky enough to catch them and scored this beautiful sandwich. I think it's ciabatta, a loaf of bread, and a box full of creamy dreamy pastries that were just incredible. It was so nice. I shared them with my kids. We kind of cut them into pieces and each tried a little bit of each pastry, but again for £4, what a bargain. And for my third and final Too Good To Go, I was at Manchester Piccadilly station, my first visit to Manchester. Absolutely loved it. Let me know if on this channel you'd also like to see some tours of the cities I visit and the food I had. I had an incredible brunch that day, but on Too Good To Go I had a look to see what there was at the station, and there was a Too Good To Go at the pasty shop, so I picked that up just before my train and headed home. So this is the Too Good To Go bag from the pasty shop. I've made it home. Let's see what they gave us. So I've got 3 pasty shop bags. Usually these pasties are about £7 each. The whole lot was £4.19. So let's see what's inside the bags. there's one actual pasty in my pasty shop Too Good To Go haul. It's a chicken and mushroom one. I saw them popping it into the bag, so it smells so good. So I'm gonna heat that up in my air fryer so it's nice and hot. And there's a sausage roll, look, it's just about as big as my hand, huge sausage roll that also I will heat up in my air fryer. So we've got two nice warming pastries. And then there's a sweet pastry, or they gave me an option of either having potato wedges or a pastry, and which sweet pastry I wanted, and I went for a pan of chocolate because I thought that would be really nice and sweet to enjoy with my Too Good To Go haul. I'll be having, well, I actually might just share with my husband. We each have half of the pie and half of the pasty, so we can try a little bit, or half of the pasty and half of the sausage roll. It's the end of a long day. I can't really think or talk straight, so I am going to enjoy this Too Good To Go. So that is the end of my video with 3 Too Good To Go hauls that I've had in the last couple of weeks. Let me know if you'd like me to share more hauls of Too Good To Go that I find around the place. I quite enjoy the app. It's a great way of getting some bargain foods and trying some things you might not normally try, and also rescuing food that would normally be wasted. So this would have gone into the bin, but instead we will enjoy it as a nice dinner meal. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.